Okay, servus. Wir sind zurück bei GTA 4 und wir stiften wieder Unruhe in Liberty City. Ich glaube, was ist denn da los? Mein Fernseher schön, der ist kaputt. Da beschwere ich mich. Jetzt schauen wir allerdings erst einmal aussehen. Mal schauen, was so steht. Ja, da schau her. Die Sonne scheint und der Tag läuft. Pass auf. Einfach mal Taxi. Aussteigen. Oder schlechte. Jetzt habe ich 3 Auftragsgeber, gell? Pass mir auf. Rechts ran. Oder links ran. Scheißegal. Jetzt fahren wir gleich mit oben. War das dieser Ray oder wie? Dieser Ithaka. So genau weiß ich das nicht mehr, gell? Ist schon ein bisschen her. Vorsicht, Vollgas voraus. Dort im Tunnel. Da schau her. Ein fliegendes Taxi. Und es ruft der Trainer. Was möchten dir? Was möchte der bowlen? Nein.
Bowling, yeah, I'd like that. But I'm just in the middle of some things, Dwayne.
Okay, man, you obviously too busy for me and my idea of fun. Call me when you're free.
Tut mir leid, Kumpel. Ich bin im Stress. Ich muss Unschuldige da schießen. Was haben wir? Wo wohnt denn der? Ja, das ist ein Moped. Weg damit. Falsch geparkt. Und gleich nur. Sag mal. Hat einen Falschparker. Der wird sich freuen, wenn er sein Moped sieht. Mein Ziel erreicht. Wir sind wieder in Little Italy. Bei den Macaronis.
Hey, Nico.
Ray,
Take a seat.
thank you.
So, you took care of that thing.
Yes.
I appreciate that.
Hey,
No,
no-
I look after my friends. I got a lot of friends. Important friends. Jimmy Pecorino's a personal friend of mine. More or less. Hey, sweetheart.
Hey,
My God, you look like shit. What's wrong?
nothing. I haven't been to bed yet. I've been smoking crystal.
You've been what? What are you, a fucking idiot? You white trash motherfucker, what is wrong with you?
Give me a break, okay? I feel like death.
Hey!
What?
It's because I care. You know that.
Yeah, I know that.
Now, speaking of the ice.
Yeah, they got it. They left it where you said. That's why I came over here. Can I get a goddamn coffee
Yeah,
here?
you look like you could really use some goddamn caffeine.
I'm fucking coming down, asshole. I feel like death.
Fine, whatever. Nico, need you to go collect some garbage for me.
Garbage?
Yeah, you wanted a career in waste disposal, now you got one.
Can I get a goddamn coffee over here?
What kind of garbage?
Garbage with a lot of ice in it.
Today?
Go over to F between Columbus and Denver. There'll be a truck waiting there. 3 guys. Good guys. Friends of mine. Main guy's name is Luca. Go.
Okay.
Hey, Sugar. Come here. All this'll be over soon.
You gotta stop me smoking this stuff, Ray. I'm fucking killing myself.
Ja gut. Ich bin befördert worden. Hol den Trashmaster. Moment. Der steht gleich am Sick, gell? Ich bin im Müllmann. So schnell kann's gehen, gell?
Did you just touch my ball?
Hey, sag mal, hast mich du angerempelt oder wie?
This guy thinks I would punch the fucking guy.
Oder schlechte, geh heim. Sag mal. Dieser kriminelle Italiener. Kumpel, wie schaut denn aus? Komm, geh. Aber gleich. Nicht, dass ich sauer werden muss.
Luca?
Yeah, you Nico? This is Tuna Fish and Johnny Spaz. Tuna, Johnny, Nico.
Hey.
So, we're all friends now.
All right, Tuna, John Boy, you get the threads. Get in the back and get the trash. Come on, let's go. Nico, here's your gear. You're driving. That cool? Let's roll.
Ja gut, ich muss fahren. Also so wie immer. Ich fahr immer, gell? Der Trottel vom Dienst.
First pickup's in Chinatown. Let's hit it.
Ab nach Chinatown. Ja gut. Oh, Scheiße, gleich mal verkehrt abbogen. Ja gut.
Someone's been
Geht das so,
throwing out the load of diamonds?
You could say that. Ray got that tweaker chick of his, the biker broad. You met her?
Yeah, she's pretty strung out.
Ray got her to get her friends to steal the ice off of some club owner guy. Her friends are the Lost Biker Gang.
I think I worked with a member of that gang up on Bohan. He was called Johnny or something.
Und, da vorne haben wir schon die erste Station.
Tuna, this is it. Grab the bag.
Weiter, Buben. Bisschen Beeilung.
Oh, why? Sure. Open up the back, will ya?
Was sagt er? Eingabe.
If there's anything I can do, just let me know.
Jetzt muss ich mich auch anstrengen. Der hat das vor sich.
Got it, let's go.
Ja, sag mal, die Trottel
Next
schon.
one's on 8th Street. Move out, Nicky.
Wo fahren wir hier? Moment, nach links. Einmal abbiegen, bitte.
Did these bikers get so fucked on meth that they threw the ice away?
Nah, it seems this club owner's got more connections than a subway line. He's in with the Ancelottis, the Dominicans up in Northwood, everybody. Ray came up with this plan to keep a bit of distance between us and the robbery. The bikers is taking the heat for this shit.
This ain't the easiest way to pick this shit up, even if we don't want to attract any attention.
Yeah, me and Tuna was saying that before you got here. We were saying that there's a lot of opportunities for this to go wrong. The bag could split, the diamonds could go missing real easy.
That's why we're going to be extra careful, right? We wouldn't want that to happen, would we?
Of course not. You know how pissed Ray would get if he found out some diamonds were missing?
He has a temper?
Are you fucking kidding me? The manager of one of his waste depots was holding out on profits a couple years back. Ray fed him to a dump truck. There was this point where the sounds of his screams stopped, and all you could hear was his bones crushing. Then the pop of his skull going. I nearly lost my lunch.
Nice.
Bumm, halt euch bereit. Die nächsten Müllsäcke.
This is the other one, Tuna. Grab it.
Was haben wir da? Checkout. Ein Supermarkt. Moment. Den mal wieder aufmachen. Damit da was vorwärts geht, gell? Okay, Buben, aufsteigen. Weiter geht's. Wir sind noch nicht fertig. Ja, wie schaut denn aus? Kollege. Wann habe ich vergessen? Ja, geh weiter.
Shit, man, looks like we got company.
Crap! Someone's got wise to us.
Was haben wir Gesellschaft? Ja, da schon her.
Drive to Fish Market South.
Der haben wir noch beschossen. Fischmarkt South. Ja gut, auf den Fischmarkt.
This truck is not really going to outrun anybody.
Ja, da können wir nie davon gehen mit
You're
dem
just gonna
LKW.
have to do your best, ain't you? We're not losing this ice. I'm not having Ray cut my balls off because you don't think this truck's fast enough.
I didn't say it was impossible. It's just going to be difficult.
Shit! it, Nicky. Lose these fucks. Get us out of here, Nicky.
Ja, warte mal. Ein LKW ist kein Ferrari.
We don't want none of those bags to break, Nicky. Holy shit!
Oh, Vorsicht! Ein Taxi.
They ain't on us no more. Good driving. Now all you got to do is bring the ice home safe.
Wo sagt er? Irgendwo da hinten, gell? Pass auf, ich biege mal ab. Ab durch die Mitte. Die beste Lösung. Und, da sind wir schon.
This is it. You got us here, Nicky.
Good driving, Nicky. I thought I was gonna be checking out for sure.
How'd they find us? I thought that we went to all this trouble so no one would know.
I don't know. These diamonds are serious. Anyone who heard of them would want them. I ain't surprised we got a bit of attention.
You want me to take the ice to raid them?
Nah, me and Tona will look after them. Sort them out from the trash. I sure hope we ain't lost any on the route. Things got shaken up pretty good back there.
They sure did, Luca. Here's hoping we can find them all.
See you around, Nicky.
Auf jeden Fall ein bisschen was verdient, gell? War ein Kinderspiel. Ja, schau mal dieses Video. Die hat das wahr sein. Liberty City geht unter.
Luke and his crew have got the stuff, Ray. It's all in the back of the truck.
Will you keep an eye on them? They didn't pull nothing?
I don't know, Ray. You don't trust them? Then weigh the ice. We'll catch you around.
Geht einmal sagen, ich brauche ein Fahrzeug.
You should have been drowned at
Wie schaut das, Kumpel? Steigst du aus? Freiwillig oder muss ich nachhelfen?
You want to make me do this?
Kollege, aussteigen. Ja, du blöde Sau. Ihr fährt davon schon. Jetzt. Verstehe. Er wollte ihn für mich hier hinpacken. Schau, ihr haut ab und seine Frau lässt da drin hat. Freunde, aussteigen. Ja, wie schaut das? Na gut. Dann erst mitfahren. Scheißegal. Jetzt fahren wir. Wo fahr ich hier? Wir fahren wieder zu Ray, oder? Weil er gerade da ist. Damit wir da ein bisschen vorwärts kommen. Das soll ja nicht ewig dauern. Ja, so haben wir die schreien dauernd. Hoppala. Das war ein kleiner Kratzer. Moment. Der trifft des Tages. Oh. Jetzt hat. Direkt hat ausgestinkt zum Speim. Und da sind wir wieder. Bei den Macaronis.
Yeah, sure, Phil, sure. Hey, Phil, listen, you know me, and I know you. I didn't mean nothing by it. Hey, take it easy. Oh, Phil, take it easy. Yeah, listen, tell Jimmy I said hello. Okay. I'm sorry. Goodbye. We got a problem.
Who? You and me?
Yeah. I got two options. Option one, you rip me off. Option two, Luca and his buddies ripped this boat off.
Hey! I left them with the stuff to bring to you as instructed.
Maybe you're in on it.
Maybe I am. But if you thought that, I wouldn't be standing here right now.
You ain't as dumb as you look. Luca hangs out in Castle Gardens. Go see him, go get my stuff back so everyone can get paid. Now.
Right.
Ja, sag mal, was denkt denn der von mir? Ja, meint alles im Scheiß. Ich bin ein Bayer, ich scheiß nicht. Ja, man denn doch. Jetzt fahren wir zu Luca Toni. Und holen die Klunker zurück. Ich glaube, der ist mit denen durchbrennt. Dieser Schlawiner. Aber das haben wir gleich. Den machen wir wie immer kurz und schmerzlos. Vorsicht, die komme. Ui, da. Hoppala. Baby, sag mal, hast du weh da? Ah, sie rührt sich noch. Die lebt noch. Da war ich wett, die lebt noch. Aber meine Tür hat einen Abgang gemacht. So, mal, da ist so finster. Wo ist der Luca? Da rum irgendwo.